What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, wherever you are on earth. It's your boy again, David, live from IFX Studio. Yeah, I'm here again this morning to talk about EU Stock 50 CFD. Yeah, we forecasted this market like for more than a month now, and the market keep going to the direction that we forecasted. It's a bullish market right now, but the bearish, the sellers are trying to reverse the market. And I drew a trend line here, which I call a terminal X. You understand? It's an X. It's just like they say now. It's a terminal X. This is what I'll call it. I created a kind of a kind of resistance resistance point here, and I said it's terminal X. And I've created this now for since last week. Since last week I created this. So looking at the market, last week it hit it here, and I said it's going to go up, and it's going up. But right now the market is the sellers, the bearish side, the sellers are trying to sell, but the selling strength is not really strong. So it's going to hit this point and it's going back up. This is what I see there. Please, people, before we continue, please, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button. I'll really appreciate it. Yeah, so please just let me know what you think about this market, because from what I can see, this market, EU stock 50 CFD, this is the market that we're in right now. So I just want to know what you see, what you think, what you feel that will happen in this very market. You get it? But from my own point of view, from my own side of point, from my own viewpoint, I see the price action calculation told me that this market, it's going up. You get it? It might hit some few strengths here, but this market is an uptrending market. So this is what I have for you. This is what I have to say. I don't know what you see in the market. Please just let me know what you see. I will appreciate a polite correction. I will appreciate you write me at info@aiefx.com. I'll really appreciate it if you could write me or give me a call on Skype, IFX. Just go to on Skype and write IFX. So people, before we continue again, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click in the notification button, and please just let me know what you see in this market. Yeah, so let's get down to business. So just like I was saying, this market is still following the trend that we said it's gonna follow. So let's just check back. Let's check way back. What makes this market redirect? What makes this market, go to the direction that we feel? You get it? So please just let me know what you see, because what I see is what I'm seeing, what I've calculated some times ago, and it's going to the direction that I calculated to be. So okay, now here we go. This is March 11, 2020. The market was the market started going bearish. The sellers are so strong as of February 20, 2020. The sellers were so really, they were in charge, and the market was going boom, bang, 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 bang. The market keep going down, which is a good thing. The market keep going down. So, but from what we could see, it got to a state the market beat down since February 20, 2020. It beat down till the sellers, the bearish, were able to reverse the market because of the selling, because of the sheer selling of the stock. They were able to push the market down to March 16, 2020, almost a month. Just 3 days, just 4 days for a month, like before it completes a month, 4 days. You understand? So the sellers were able to trade the market, and market reverse up to this very point. The market was able to pick its momentum. It picked up its momentum from March 23, 2020, and it came to this direction. But the sellers are still coming. So the market keep climbing. The market was trying to like climb up, and there is something that I call power struggle within on the power struggle started on the 27th of March till up till now. I could say up till now, but the buyers are the bullish side of the market is really winning right now. It's opening, it's winning, it's going. You get it? So it keep going up, which is a very good thing. It keep going up, it keeps showing its strength, it keeps showing how strong it is, which is a very good thing, just like I said and I keep saying. So the market start climbing up. There are some few candlestick that proves that the market is an uptrending market here. When you look at this place, May 11, 2020 till May 15th, 2020, you believe the market is a downtrending market. You will definitely believe that the market is a downtrending market, but the market was able to change direction, was able to change momentum. What makes it change momentum? It is something that makes it to change momentum. But when you check it from here, it forms a solid downtrend, but which is not a downtrend. If you do your very good price action statistics and analysis, you know that this is not a downtrend. It's just looking like a downtrend, but it's not a downtrend. So when the bullish side, when the buyers buy more shares, the stock heat up. You get it? The stock heat up. European stock 50 CFD, it heats up. So the market keep going. It went, it came off from on the 18th of May 2020 till 8th of June 2020. 9th of June 2020, it fell a little bit till it fell still on the 11th of June 2020. It keep peaking. There was a serious power struggle somewhere here. The market keep peaking. It keeps speaking its language. It keep peaking. It keeps showing how strong it is, which is a very good thing. Just like I used to say, which is a very, very good thing. The market keeps showing how strong it is. How it can dominate the market, which is a very good thing. And the market keep climbing. The market, the what's it called? The market, there was a serious power struggle, and the power struggle started from on the another power struggle started from on the 9th of June, and the power struggle keep going. It was a serious power struggle. You see, all those places is speaking a specific language. Don't just think, oh, it's going bearish, it's going bullish. All those places you see here is speaking a specific language. You get it? But it's left for you, to gather your knowledge to an extent that will get you to be, to be fully ready for the trade that you want to trade. All the candles are speaking something. So the market was able to fight it. It starts another power struggle, just like I said, since June 8th, June 9th, and they pull it. They fought. It was a serious fighting, so they keep pulling it till, there was a reversal candle here. It picks down, and that was the bearish, and they keep going bearish, and bearish till on the 31st of July. It started on the 21st of July, and it went down to on the 31st of July, and it beat it up to this extent. So when it beat it up to this extent, everybody was like, hey, what's going on with the stock market, with the EU stocks 50 CFD? Everybody was like, what's going on? But the market was still able to win. The market was still able to win, and it started reversing up. It started climbing up. The bullish start winning now, which is a very good thing. The bullish start winning. The bullish start going up, and it start showing how strong it is in the market, which is a very, very good thing, which I very much appreciate. Though it keep going, it keep going, it keep going. It came to this direction, and it got to this direction August 12, 2020. It got to this direction, and it was showing how strong it is in the market, which is a very, very good thing. You get it? So the market was able to beat it to August 12, 2020. That is the sellers. The bullish, the bearish side, the sellers, they were able to take it down a little bit, within August 13 till August 14. You understand? That wasn't much, but there was a serious power struggle here. There was a very, very strong power struggle here. Like, hey, I want to go. Hey, you ain't going. I want to go. You ain't going. Oh, we're buying, we're selling. It keeps struggling. It keeps struggling within each other, which is a very good thing. But it got on the 16th of September, the market took another direction. When the market got to this very point, I drew the trend line. I drew this trend line, and I said this market will fall, and it started falling from here. You get it? So it started falling from here. It keep going down, 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 and when it got to this stage, the market took. When it got to this stage, I said it hoo-ha. I very much remember. If you watch my past video, you'll see it. I very much remember, and I said it, that this market is going to climb up. That this market is going to climb up, and it start going up. This upside crusade started on the 29th of October, and it keep climbing up. It keep going, and it's still going. It's still going. This is just take a look at it. As we are now in November 25th today, this market is saying it's going bearish. It's definitely going to hit this point, but when it hits this point, take it. It's going back all the way up. You get it? It's going, when it hits this point, it's going all the way up back. So this was why I put the candlestick. I call this side terminal X. You get it? So please, people, just tell me what you see in this place, what you believe is going to happen, what you see that this is the direction that this market is going. I'll really appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe. Click the notification button on all of my social media pages. I'll really appreciate it. Please, please, please help your boy. Please help your boy grow this channel. Help your boy spread this Forex trading and the capital market ministry. You get it? So please, people, like, share, subscribe. Don't be greedy. Stay focused. Don't be greedy. Do your technical analysis very well. Do your own price action analysis very well before you get into any trade. So trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all, and be blessed. See you in my next video.